Welcome to a flavorful journey into the world of probiotic foods. These remarkable edibles are more than just delicious. They're packed with live microorganisms that can supercharge your health. From tangy yogurt to fiery kimchi, we're about to unveil supercharged options that offer benefits ranging from improved digestion to heightened immunity. So, buckle up as we explore the exciting universe of probiotic-rich delicacies. Their transformative impact on your well-being. What are probiotic foods? Probiotic foods are those that contain live microorganisms, such as beneficial bacteria and yeast. These microorganisms, when consumed, can provide various health benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular probiotic-rich foods. Here's a list of probiotic foods that are super healthy for your gut and overall health. Yogurt is a delicious dairy product made from milk fermented by probiotics. It's associated with improved bone, heart, and gastrointestinal health, making it a staple in many diets. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, offers a diverse range of friendly bacteria and yeast. It's a great option, especially for those with lactose intolerance. Sauerkraut, finely shredded fermented cabbage, is not only tasty but also rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. Just make sure to choose unpasteurized brands for live bacteria. Tempeh, a fermented soy product, is packed with protein and even contains vitamin B12. Its fermentation process reduces phytic acid, aiding mineral absorption. Kimchi, a spicy Korean dish, contains lactobacillus kimchi and other beneficial bacteria for digestive health. Plus, it's high in vitamins and minerals. Miso, a Japanese seasoning, is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin K. It may also have protective effects against certain health conditions. Kombucha, a fermented tea drink, is believed to offer potential health benefits due to its probiotic content. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. Pickles, or gherkins, are cucumbers preserved through fermentation. They're a good source of healthy probiotics and vitamin K, but keep in mind that vinegar-based pickles lack live bacteria. Traditional buttermilk, a fermented dairy drink popular in certain regions, contains probiotics. It's a great source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and calcium. Natto, a Japanese staple, is another fermented soy product. It's rich in protein and vitamin K2, which supports bone and cardiovascular health. Some cheeses, such as cheddar, mozzarella, and Gouda, contain probiotics. Cheese is also a nutritious source of various vitamins and minerals. Probiotic foods offer a range of benefits, including improved digestive health, enhanced immunity, and even potential effects on heart health and skin appearance. Incorporating these foods into your diet can contribute to a balanced and diverse gut microbiome. In conclusion, adding probiotic foods to your diet can be a tasty and beneficial way to support your overall health. Whether it's yogurt, sauerkraut, or natto, each of these foods brings its unique set of benefits to the table. So it's important to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions.